Good morning, everybody. Today we are focusing on this storm system that is coming in today and into tomorrow, 10:29, 10:30, a day or and two before Halloween. The main threats with these two storms are going to be wind, damaging winds, and large hail, and there will be a tornado risk on Wednesday. But right now, I do have this jet stream right here. So let's go ahead and go on into Wednesday. As you can see, we do have the jet stream. It's kind of becoming a bit more of a negatively tilted trough, and if it is becoming a more negatively charged trough, more negative, it's going to be pulling more moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that is something we really need to watch out for. And going into Thursday, will continue moving off to the east, where it could continue producing some more severe weather. Now, oops, going over to dew points, if it'll want to work. Going into Tuesday, we have a lot of moisture return into the Great Plains, and into Wednesday, it really starts to go up, and we can see where a dry line will set up in western Oklahoma later in the afternoon and evening, and then that will continue moving on. And right now, we can see dew points in the teens and moisture levels in the mid to upper 60s. That is a big difference, and that will be a big factor in today and tomorrow's weather. Looking at mixed, unstable, or that's not mixed. This is most unstable Cape or instability in the atmosphere. We do have into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, let's go back here. Tuesday, we get some instability up in the central and even west southern plains. And going into Wednesday, we can kind of see some of that instability pop up here in Oklahoma and Kansas. That is where the highest tornado threat should be, somewhere around in there. And going into Thursday, still see some of that overnight from Wednesday into Halloween. You can see where that's going to be. Felicity index, where could see more rotating storms. Going into Wednesday, we can really see where so a little bit of that blue pops up. That is where we should expect to see some more rotating storms. And going into Thursday night, we see a little bit more of that yellow and orange. That is when kind of the storms will kind of merge into a squall line and move to the east southeast. Looking at future radar, we have going into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday morning there will be some initiation to the north, but Wednesday we do have some rain and storms firing off in Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas. That is mostly going to be a wind event. And on this particular model, it doesn't show too many storms in Oklahoma, but there will be the big chance for severe storms and some of these storms might be more isolated and discrete, and if these storms are more isolated, then there will be that chance for a couple of tornadoes. It's not looking like a major tornado outbreak, but the chance is really there and needs to be kept an eye on. Going over to the Storm Prediction Center, we have this level 2 slight risk ranging from North Texas all the way up to far southern Iowa. The tornado threat, we have this brown 5% area ranging from central Oklahoma, which does include Oklahoma City, up to the north across Wichita, Kansas, and into east central Kansas and a huge 2% area outlining that first 5% spot. Within that green 2% area, we can see a few brief spin-ups. Looking at wind in that 15% hatched area, ranging from about the Dallas area in Texas, all the way to just south of Des Moines, Iowa. In that yellow 15% hatched area, we can see uh, 65 to 70, even 75 mile per hour wind gusts from the storms, especially up here in the north, Missouri, Kansas, oh, sorry, and yeah, Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, and Missouri. The hail threat, we pretty much the same exact area, that 15% hatched area. Yellow, we do have another spot for hail. We could see some size of hail up to golf ball size, but if there really is gonna be more moisture, that will help create more instability, and that will have a higher effect on wind and hail and tornadoes. That's all I have for you this morning. And remember, I'm still trying to make that fall tornado forecast. That'll come out within the next few days. And I will be live later today as well for any emergency update that I might have to do. And I'll be live tomorrow, so make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified of any videos or live streams.